Oh, that's a really nice statue there. It's a small vignette. I guess during springtime this is covered in flowers and all sorts of plants. It's still late winter time. The plants are still sleeping. Okay. Let's see what else we need to go from here. Oh, there's a kayak zone here. Welcome to the Wildlife Walk. There's a forest trail, Kingfisher Pond Trail, woodland trails. Okay, so I think we're already going to do some hiking, serious hiking now. I'm probably gonna reduce the amount of footage here because some of this is just fluff. I want to make sure I go where I need to go. Stone Cabin Trail. We're gonna make a loop here on that yellow trail over there, the Stone Cabin Trail, and then do the beaver pond. Yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of hiking after this. Yeah. I had no idea how I'm gonna make this, but we're already in, so let's rather just keep going. The Stone Cabin Trail and the Beaver Pond Trail. So there's crossroads here. Look at the Stone Cabin Trail. This is officially the cabin trail. So there's a loop. Complete that and we can head back. Yeah, definitely will bring my family here when I come back. I had to set aside some budget for that. It's kind of pricey, but again, if it means that these animals are taken care of, then it's worth the money. Nice. There's a outside kitchen over there. It's a wood, not a wood, a stone. That's a very nice looking. Look like a perfect spot to get married. I guess, yeah, this goes uphill, this trail. This is like a, I guess they said a maple tree. This is all this metal protuberances out of there. So they just pull out the sap. If it is a regular tree or the maple syrup. There is a maple tree, I'm not sure. I don't smell maple in the air. Usually when it's a maple tree, you smell it in the air. There's a lot of properties around here, so be careful you don't go around making too much noise. But I guess that's why it's open so late, so people have to deal with children crying or dogs barking early in the morning. I'd rather let it happen once everybody's woke up and got their breakfast and their coffee, and they can start people coming in and make as much noise as possible. But yeah, it looks like a nice place to live. If I had the money, I would consider living here. Very nice weather today. Very nice weather. I'm telling you what, just because I love the environment here, I think I'm gonna make this a mini series. We're gonna divide this video into different parts per each of them, just covering each part of this nature center, because I'm surprised how big this park turns out to be. I am very satisfied so far. I'm gonna do the other trail after this, definitely, for sure. Yeah, that's the Unity Garden. Some archery going on here. Okay, so we're going back again. It's a loop. We're going back here again. And then there's the trail coming down. Okay. Okay. Service center is over there. Kind of lost track of where I am. Okay. Oh, okay, so we're back again. I'm gonna head it down here. It's a meadow. Pond. Birds. Scurry creatures. Down here. Okay, that's Okay, like a small break room. Okay, I was gonna wrap this part of the video here. Stay tuned for the next one. Have a good one.